Hello everybody. Welcome to another property tour with Imofactor Real Estate in central Portugal. Driving through the shadows of this beautiful afternoon, on this sunny early autumn day, I have today the pleasure of taking you to a small, quiet house in the village of Sobral do Campo, a beautiful village with around 350 inhabitants, located in the district of Castelo Branco. The village is known for pure and serene atmosphere of the mountain landscapes and green surrounding valleys, as well as for its tranquility and historic architecture. In turn, easy access to the city of Castelo Branco, as well as the proximity of the large Santa Agueda Dam, make it an ideal location for those looking for a balance between tranquility and comfort. Thus, representing a peaceful retreat from urban life, the village offers at the same time easy access to modern amenities and nearby attractions. And we're almost there. Welcome to the peaceful and charming village of Sobral do Campo, and tranquility and comfort of the beautiful rustic house I have to show you today. We've arrived. The property is separated in two distinct areas. On one side is the leisure area, and on the other, separated by a small courtyard, there is the housing area. As we get closer, to our left, we are welcomed by a comfortable and sheltered yard, with a refreshing pool, and surrounding leisure area. A small but perfect space for the good times, with family and friends. But let's first focus on the house and its different areas. Between gates, there is this small courtyard, and from here we head towards the house. In this first entry is an independent room, with kitchen, which we will visit later. Upon entering the house, we are greeted by a very pleasant and special environment, favored by contrasts and rustic details, provided by the bricks, ceilings, and wooden panels. Here on the right, in the middle of the corridor, in a peculiar open space environment, we found this cozy and well-decorated bedroom with a small wardrobe area. Next door is a versatile storage room, cool on summer days, offering a wide space, perhaps useful as a cellar. And climbing the wooden staircase, let's enter the heart of the house. Straight ahead, at the top of the stairs and at the entrance to the first floor, is the bathroom with shower cabin. And we arrived at the large common space, composed of the large living room and kitchenette. Adorned with classic decoration and rustic details. An open fireplace serves as kitchen support and provides heating for the coldest days. A perfect space for relaxing evenings. Let us now return to ground floor and complete the house tour. In front, we have an additional independent space, providing a private retreat for guests or family. This space consists of an airy bathroom with shower and natural light. A room with kitchen equipment. And a more sheltered area, used as a small bedroom. Now that we've completed our housing area view, let's take a closer look at the outdoor spaces. This small and useful patio divides the two areas. The leisure area is well protected, with good privacy provided by the surrounding wall. In addition to the refreshing pool, the space also has a barbecue area, under cover of a shed, thus providing conditions for preparing al fresco meals. Due to its characteristics, this property represents a peaceful retreat, cozy and simple, but with all modern amenities. The cities of Lisbon and Porto are respectively about 2 and 3 hours away, and the border with Spain, approximately 1 hour driving. I hope you have enjoyed the tour. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Check the main characteristics of the property in the table shown at the end of the video, as well as contacts and additional information on the links contained in the description. And so we're coming to the end of our today's tour. Thank you for being with us. Goodbye and see you in the next video.